are attempting to start again.
Together.
Nag-enjoy ka naman.
Mga anak natin, lamig na lang. Hello everyone! Woohoo! Nagbabalik na mo! Oh my gosh! Shout out po kay Kuya Josh Ledesma at Ate Audria kasi minotivate niya po kami ulit para mag-vlog.
Focus.
May YouTube channel kaming dalawa before. But here we are now. We are attempting to start again.
Together.
Pag in-upload natin to, tapos hindi pa kami nag-upload, sabihan nyo kami.
Responsibilidad nyo kami, ha?
Charon! Burger steak pero little burgers.
Burger nuggets. Kain mo to. Tatlo.
Uy!
Sap.
Ito lang yung ambag ko, guys. Ako nagluto ng rice, but he cooked the main dish.
Ang cute ng skirt mo. Ito na naka-treat tayo. Ito na yung pinaka-makulay na dress na kita ko.
Sabrina Carpenter ang atake ni ate. Sabrina Carpentera.
Uy, nakuha niya na yung blue scrubs niya.
May pa-shoulder eh.
May pa-shoulder.
Baka naman pag nakita ka namin naglalakad, dumagulo ka na.
Mauna si Cheska. Okay, game. Entertainment. Wow! Big word spell.
Likes.
Video. Melody.
Yan ang ating impostor.
Zara Larson. Platform. Ang hirap. Last round.
Engagement.
Red.
Wow!
Valentine.
Ang eme, nakakailan. Ikaw.
Hindi ako. Melody.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. YouTube!
Ano sabi niya?
Peke ka.
Alam mo? Netflix ako. Panalo ako, guys.
Next game naman.
Next.
Yung connect.
Okay.
Word connect.
Okay.
Ako muna.
O sige, unahan mo, babe.
Mississippi.
Mississippi River.
Melody.
River Flow.
Ay!
Flow.
Oh, Gcash.
Cash flow. Flow na naman. Flowless siya.
Flawless. Ito may flow state.
Florida. Flow state.
Flow state.
Ano yan? May sabat siya dito. Grab na namin ang dalawang girlies. Pero nandito kami. Mag-ikot-ikot lang kami to see kung anong pwede namin gawin.
Bagong buhay talaga to eh, oh.
Lalakad na kami to pass the time.
Inaangkot ko sa channel na tatawa lang. Pang vigil. Ito yung pang vigil. Ano? Incenso.
Hintay namin si Cheska at Melody na matapos. Mga 4 na oras pa kami maghihintay.
Basically,
Kasi start lang nila.
Nag-enjoy ka naman.
Yeah. Anak namin for today's
At least
video.
nakawala tayo sa Rexburg.
Yung
Uy, parang si Melody yan. Oh, may gano'n siya dito. Tapos kulay green. Cheska here. We have Cheska and we have Melody in here. So mamaya papakita namin yung reference.
Papatay ko nga lang daw ng langaw.
Kamukha pa ng kaibigan mo.
Ano meron ka?
What do you mean?
Guess the gibberish.
Oh. Nice.
Buy something.
Binili niya talaga yung hearts.
Mga pangalan lang. Nail.
Yes.
Man, I like your hoodie.
Thank you.
I was reading it when you were over there, and it's like soul on fire, burn with purpose.
Yes. Amen.
Kung nag-wonder kayo, magkano na yung gas dito?
Hindi ko din alam. Magkano yung gas?
$2.89.
$2.89 with Costco membership.
Lunahan na namin sila Cheska. Ito. Ito ka.
Nakakumot pa.
Wala, yun na yung reference. Nakasuot pa talaga sa kanila yung
Yan ang mga anak natin. Lamig na lamig.
Ayoko na, tibo na talaga. Tulog na kami. 1, 2, 3.
So, ba naglulok
Good morning!
Good morning.
Hapon for breakfast. Salamat po kila ate. Ano pong ni ate? Ating pinsan ni Melody for letting us stay. Ganda ng araw today. It's so sunny, but it's cold. Our dad, our daughters. Good morning. Yum.
Rocky.
We're back with them. Ay, yung mga bibilihin nyo. Kasi mai-enjoy kami. Guys, we're here. Ay, hulaan nyo kung anong bill mo. 120. 200.
100 something.
55. Pwede umabot ng $300.
Review.
109.
123.
Wow!
156.
$59.
Tatlo ang cart, guys.
Magkakasya ba?
Kasi walang ganito sa Rexburg, walang ganito sa everyday lives namin. So, minsan lang kami mag-Utah. At least, on average, once every 2 months. So, ulitin na.
Ayan na yung lahat. It's a lot.
Oh, gusto ko din ng shrimp.
Yeah, prime shrimp.
Girly bitty bye bye, don't tell a lie.
Dito na kami. Pero siya muna ang home.
Wait lang, nabig mo na yung susi, na-pressure ako.
Bye! Nanood!
So everyone, nakauwi na kami.
Lamig.
Balik sa lamig.
Bye-bye! Charot!
So, we just got home in our apartment. Lahat sila nahatid na namin and hinatid daw ni AR dito. I hope you guys had fun with us as much as we had fun. So, thank you for watching. If nakaabot ka sa part na to, thank you for coming to Utah with us. We still have some more videos coming up, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you, and I hope you have a good one.